That looks a little different now, don't it? Hey, welcome back, folks. Guys, we're going to be outside on the Char-Griller. It's just a grill now. Smoker box, yeah, it bit the dust, and we're going to replace it. But for now, I'm going to use this as a grill. It's got a little life left in it, so we're going to enjoy that. Going to do some chicken fajitas. I got some chicken tenders. We're going to season up here and grill them off. Of course, the normal, the peppers and the onions, and just make a nice little fajita for us tonight, guys. Let's get going. Very simple, as usual. Just some extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to coat the chicken with just a little bit. Not much at all, actually. A lot of it's just to help the seasoning we're going to use coat. And I'm just going to follow this up with just some of this How to Barbecue Right's Malcolm's Grande Gringo, guys. You see me use that on the pizza here a week or so ago. A little bit more. I want these seasoned pretty good. Nope. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Mama was nice enough to cut up some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and some, I guess that's just a white onion, Vidalia. I'm not sure what kind of onion that was, to be honest. Just a white onion. That wasn't smart. I'm going to follow that up with some of this Grande Gringo. Not as much though as I put on the chicken, but we're going to add a little to it. I don't want to mask the pepper flavors too much. Okay, we got the grill coming up to temp right now. Starting to rain on me. Fun. Change of plans, guys. It has started to rain on me, so I moved everything over here in front of the garage real quick. I'm gonna get started here with the veggies. Got my little screened skillet, I call it. Basically just a screened pan, just for doing just this type of stuff, so we don't lose any of the good stuff. We're gonna get this started on here and just get it tendered up, then I'm gonna move it up over here indirect. So it ain't gonna stay directly over the heat very long. We want to bring the chicken out and get it grilling. Yeah, we're gonna get these off indirect and just let them do their thing. Right over here, we'll get some chicken on here. Okay guys, we're throwing a little southwestern theme here tonight, so I'm gonna throw just one chunk of mesquite wood right there. It'll probably flame up on us, but that's okay. Get these tenders on in here. Get back out in a minute and flip these bad boys. This ain't gonna take that long, guys. We'll give these guys a flip. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Smell that mesquite wood there. Love it. Good stuff. Alright, let's see what we got here. Some of these we're gonna move up top. Oh yeah. We're gonna move some of these up top, guys. Some of these need to come over the fire for a few more minutes, definitely. Yeah, we're there on those. Getting close, gentlemen. Getting close. Alright guys, let's finish these off and do our finishing steps. Hey guys, this ain't gonna take very long at all here. Just get some tortillas heated up here. Not gonna take long at all. Especially that one. That piece of wood's flaring up on me. Turn that over. This is an awesome meal, guys. I'm not even using, I'm using a lot of what we have here in the house. All right, I'm gonna pull that off. I'm gonna finish this up, guys, and I'm gonna go feed my family. And I'll come back and we'll plate this up for you guys. All right, guys, let's see if we can plate this up here for you. With a couple chicken tenders per taco shell. Always overdo this. Y'all know me. Throw in some of these awesome onions and peppers. This is just some little store-bought salsa. I prefer my own, but hey, this is what we got, guys. And a little sour cream. And I know I have my haters for this, but I'm coming with a little cilantro. A little dish here. Got some just little store-bought salsa or salsa con queso. And some chips. Cheers, guys. Here we go. Tell you what, that Grande Gringo, it really jumps out there. That seasoning. I do different variations of this same cook pretty often. It's been a while since I've done it on this grill and with the mesquite wood, which I'm glad I did because it's really good. Of course, cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, leave it off. You can do any mix here you want, but give it one more bite, guys. It's very good, guys. That is so good. I've been wanting to do this for a little while. It's been a while since I've done it. So, guys, thank you. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't mind, if you haven't already, please subscribe to us. It helps us out a lot. So, guys, thank you. And until next Saturday, God bless you guys. Bye-bye.